Hello and welcome to the HitchFit podcast, brought to you by certified trainers Michael Lassert and Diana Shalhoub. This podcast is intended to provide you with education, motivation, and inspiration towards leading a more fit, healthy, and balanced lifestyle. For more podcasts, blogs, videos, online personal training, and more, visit www.hitchfit.com. This is episode 3. Today's podcast is titled, How to Find Fast Food That Won't Sabotage Your Fit Life. Go, go, go. That's what you seem to do all day long. We live in a fast-paced society. Everything has to be high speed, from our internet connections right down to the food that we eat. Millions of Americans are consuming fast food meals on a daily basis, and it's having a serious effect on our health and our waistlines. If you are a fast food junkie, listen up. By making smarter and healthier choices at the drive-thru, fast food actually can be incorporated into a fit and healthy lifestyle. Fast food is available virtually everywhere. It is usually lacking in nutritional value and high in fat and calories. Fast food is quick, convenient, and cheap. It is part of our society and part of the lifestyle of millions of Americans. If you're looking to lose weight, increase your energy levels, and improve your health, but you're limited on grocery shopping or food preparation time, here are some tips that will help you make healthier choices even when your chow is coming through a drive-thru window. Choose grilled, not fried foods. Skip the fried foods and you will cut back on unhealthy trans fats and excess calories, as well as get a jump start on your weight loss goals. Choose chicken instead. Most fast food joints have some type of grilled chicken sandwich. Picking chicken over beef will significantly decrease the amount of calories and fats that you are consuming. Size matters. If you aren't ready to give up your burgers just yet, start by choosing a junior burger and order it without cheese. When you are committed to your fitness goals and motivated enough to eliminate these items from your diet, you will be amazed at how much better your body will feel, how much easier weight loss will be, and how much more energy you will have. Skip the dips and nix the mayo. Sauces including barbecue and even ketchup are typically loaded with sugar. Check out the ingredients on a ketchup package, and you may be surprised to see that high fructose corn syrup is at the top of the ingredients list. Remember that a calorie is a calorie, even when it comes in liquid form. Sodas, fruit juices, and even sweetened iced teas are typically packed with sugar. In a supersized beverage, you may be consuming over half of your daily calories. Water is always the best choice, but if you must have a soda, make it a diet. In a perfect world, we would all have time to prepare meals that we could eat consistently throughout the day in order to keep our metabolism up and keep our bodies properly fueled. But let's get real. With a hectic lifestyles, busy jobs, and families to care for, the importance of food preparation is easily pushed to the side in exchange for a fast food alternative. Since quick meals on the go are part of our culture, it's high time that we recognize the fact that you can make healthy choices and lead a fit life, even if your next meal comes in a paper bag. Thank you for tuning in. Please be sure to stop by www.hitchfit.com and tune in again next time.